You gotta buy gowns, you gotta buy shoes, you gotta pay hair and makeup. I mean, it's very expensive to be me. I mean, it's terrible.
Call to come up. I was on the field with the runners. Was on the winning team. We was getting cream, skimming on the surface with the fishy schemes. Kill the scene. It all did a number. I'm a winner, boy. Better run up. Was swimming in my dreams. I was gaining steam, rekindling the hype, just doing my thing. I was in the slumber, shooting all my shots with the jumper. My crew abandoned me like I was tumbleweed.
Okay guys, I went ahead and used the Monat black shampoo and conditioner, and this I really love. Actually, when you put it on, it feels very minty. I was actually really itchy on my scalp, and this kind of like helps it soothe, you know. This is a shampoo and conditioner, and it's infused with that Rejuvenate, that oil that I showed you guys on my daughter. I use it on her scalp for her psoriasis, which is infused with the different type of oils in the little bottle. Well, the shampoo has the Rejuvenate infused in it, and it moisturizes, cleanses, and thickens the hair. I hope I'm saying that right. Thickens the hair. So yeah, moisturizes, cleans, and helps your hair get thicker. Right now, just came out of a shower not too long ago, and I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner, which is this. And this one is for dry, medium to thick hair. And it also has the Rejuvenate infused in it. It comes with a little pump like this. I'm gonna put about this much, and then just put it in my hair. Go all the way to the end, and then do the same thing on this side. Maybe I'll just put a little bit more. You can see my hair is not as frizzy, and little by little it's going back to its normal. Of course, I don't have too much using these products, so to see a difference you have to at least use them for an amount of 3 months without using any other kind of shampoo or products. They're vegan free, free of chemicals and all that. And I just found out that not only, you know, it's a very known product that even like celebrities are starting to use it. I didn't even know, like the Kardashians and what do you call this? She's a rapper. What's her name? Nicki Minaj. Other Spanish-speaking celebrities as well. So that's my leave-in conditioner, and then I am just going to try and put a little bit of I don't have to, but I am. It's Monat Studio One hairspray, and it's flexible and firm hold. It smells really good. This is how the top looks. It closes and opens like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and see how delicate it sprays. And it smells so good as well. It smells so good. So if you want any of these products, don't forget to check out my link. There's a hair quiz in there. You want to go ahead and do a quiz. You have to be able to get recommendations for your hair because everybody have different type of hair. So according to the type of hair you have, Monat gives you what do you call it, recommendations on what kind of shampoo and things to use on your hair. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.